Hey everybody, it's Jay Kitchen from jaysbeard.com. I hope you're doing really well today. We are shooting this in the shade because it's a little bit too bright for my old eyes to deal with, even with, you can see the shading on the lenses already. We're going to be talking today about two fragrances from the same line. They're actually the same fragrance, but one is the extrait. We're talking about Falcon Leather from Matiere Premiere. Now this line, I am in love with their incense suave, both the OG and the extrait, but the OG for me is even better than the extrait. So I've experienced some of their scents. This leather, the Falcon Leather, I'm going to read some things from Lucky Scent with respect to it. If the Matiere Premiere collection was a menagerie, Falcon Leather would be the American bald-headed eagle, bristling with the raw masculine energy of a practiced predator, opening with a gut punch of smoky saffron which twists everything into the shape of a leather harness. Falcon Leather feels immediately powerful, like sinew shifting over bone. And we're going to try some of the Falcon Leather extra later on in the review. The coiled energy of the scent is further emphasized in the heart when a smoky, austere birch tar and grungy but sleek oud join the party, darkening the background from saffron and gold to a deep, oily black. The pungency of the saffron birch tar accord is softened somewhat by the caramelized, incensey sweetness of labdanum resin, which, given its starring role in fantasy amber accords, is the perfect way to talk the eagle down a bit from attack mode. Incredibly rich, pungent, and dark, Falcon Leather is made for those for whom Tom Ford's Tuscan Leather and Le Labo Patchouli 24 feel distinctly underpowered. That's a lot, right? The fragrance is very, very masculine. I actually, I spilled like half of the decant on me by accident. It's good. If you like leather fragrances, this is really good. It's that I am kind of a sucker for, of all things, birch tar. I really like that sort of gritty kind of funk that scent has. But you know, it does have the sweetness that they talk about. It comes through definitely in the opening. It doesn't last really long to my nose. This was launched in 2019. I believe the price for 100 mLs is like around 320 bucks, and I think for the extrait it's 420, something like that. In those price ranges, you do find the Matiere Premiere scents discounted somewhat on various sites, anywhere from 10 to 50% in some cases, at least with the incense suave. It's a really nice fragrance. If you're into leathers, I would suggest you get a decant of this and check it out. The sweetness is really, really nice, and that may be the saffron coming through. I think it is. Now the extrait, okay, the extrait was released 2 years ago in 2024. Now the perfumer behind both of these scents is Aurélien Guichard. Like the OG, this has got a lot of saffron in it, birch tar as well, from the scoop on Lucky Scent, which I think is gleaned from the company itself. When Aurélien Guichard first conceived of extrait versions of the most popular entries in the Matiere Premiere collection, he knew that they had to be more than your average flankers. After all, the originals are already known for being built around a generous dosage of a precious natural central ingredient. So, for the extrait collection, in addition to an increased concentration of both the overall fragrance and a specific increase in the dosage of the main ingredient, each extrait has been given a bold new twist of a carefully selected new guest ingredient, chosen to work specifically with those characteristics enhanced by the stronger concentration to create something distinctive and unforgettable, which is a pretty cool idea. I mean, the extrait, typically in my mind, you think it's much more concentrated, right? But they also add something, the secret ingredient, you know, like the secret sauce supposedly in the extracts. This is really rich. Oof, it is masculine, really leathery. Ooh, it's very sexy, very sexy. As the notes on Lucky Scent say, Falcon Leather was already an absolute beast of a fragrance, combining the raw power of smoky birch tar oil and fiery saffron with a richly resinous base that accentuated the sheer potency of the fragrance just as much as it smoothed the edges off the pungency of the central accord. In the extrait, Guichard only pushes that philosophy further, deploying a rare Indian Assam oud oil that adds a deeper, funkier depth to the sweetly ambery resins, marking Falcon Leather extrait as the boldest and most masculine of the entire Matiere Premiere collection. This is really very, very rich. But it's got this, it must be the saffron, it's got this sweetness that it's really freaking sexy. And I'm not a big leather scent fan. I do like leather. I mean, I bought a lot of leather bags that I bought in Argentina back in the day, and in Brazil, cuero, you know. But this is a lot of times, not a lot of times, but many times I prefer the OGs to the flanker or the extrait. This one, I would have to say, for me, the extrait is groovier. It's sweeter. It's just more rounded. You know, if you have a different thought pattern about these two fragrances, please let me know. I mean, I really love the incense swab from this house, and I've yet to try the saffron and the saffron extrait. That should be up soon, most absolutely. But they're both really great fragrances. If you're into leathers, you owe it to yourself. Check these out, for sure. Please leave comments down below if you tried either of them. If you've got some other leather fragrances that you think we should get our noses on, please tell us. In the meantime, stay lifted, stay well-groomed, stay smelling freaking awesome. Be kind to our 2- and 4-legged friends, and we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers, everybody.